Good morning, students. Today we solve some problem based on the linear inequality. Some more problem. Question number 1, 2 and 3. Solve for x belongs to natural number, x belongs to integer, x belongs to real. Correct? Question number 1, 2 and 3 both solve for x belongs to natural number, x belongs to integer, I mean integer, x belongs to R mean real, correct? And these two questions solve for real x, only real x. Question number 1, 9 less than 1 minus 2x. 9 less than 1 minus 2x. Transfer this term to the left hand side. Therefore, it becomes 2x less than 1 minus 9. Correct? 1 minus 9. Then 2x less than equal to minus 8. Other dividing both sides by 2. Positive number. Dividing both sides by 2, it becomes x less than equal to minus 4. Clear? Dividing both sides by 2. If we divide positive number, then the sign of inequality does not change. Correct? But if we divide with a negative number, then the sign of inequality change. So answer number 1, x belongs to natural number. X belongs to natural number. So less than minus 4 natural number, no solution. No solution. Second, x belongs to integer. X belongs to integer. Your answer minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 dash dash dash. Correct? And third, x belongs to real. X belongs to real, that is minus infinity to minus 4. Because you know that 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4, and this is minus infinity and this is infinity. Less than minus 4, it means this portion. Less than this, and you get this portion. This is the answer. Clear? This is question number 1. Similarly, we solve question number 2. 5x minus 3 less than 3x plus 1. 5x minus 3 less than 3x plus 1. So, 5x minus 3x less than, shift this term to the right hand side, 1 plus 3. 5x minus 3x, 2x less than 4. Therefore, x less than 2. X less than 2. Answer less than 2 natural number. Can you tell me? Less than 2 natural number. Only 1. 1 is the answer. Second, less than 2 integer. Less than 2 integer. 1, 0, minus 1, dash dash. Third, less than 2 real. Less than 2 real. It means minus infinity to 2. This is the answer. Question number 2. Question number 3. Third question. 3 minus 2x greater than equal to x minus 32. 3 minus 2x greater than equal to x minus 32. You know that minus 2x, shift this term to the left hand side, minus x greater than equal to minus 32 and minus 3, correct? This is minus 3x greater than minus 35. Minus 35, correct? Then not dividing both side by minus 3. Dividing both side by minus 3. When you divide both side by minus 3, then sign of inequality change. And x less than equal to 35 by 3. X less than equal to 35 by 3, it means 11 whole 2 by 3. 11 whole 2 by 3. First, for natural number, what is the answer for natural number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Clear? And second, for integer, 11, 10, 9, that is. And third, for real, what is the answer? Less than 35 by 3, less than 35 by 3. It means minus infinity to 35 by 3. This is the answer. Here is open bracket. In the infinity, we apply open bracket. Here is closed bracket. Here is closed bracket, because you know that equality, this number is also included. This is question number 3rd. Now we solve question number 4. Solve for real. 3, 2 minus x greater than equal to twice 1 minus x. Clear? Thrice 2 minus x greater than equal to twice 1 minus x. Now multiply by 3. 3 to the 6 minus 3x greater than equal to 2 minus 2x. The minus 3x, this term transfer to the left hand side, plus 2x greater than equal to 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6. Here is minus x greater than equal to minus 4. Now multiplying both side by minus 1, or you can say dividing both side by minus 1. Multiplying both side by minus 1, or you can say dividing both side by minus 1. Therefore x less than equal to 4. This is the main point. Again check. Multiplying both side by minus 1 you can say, or you can say dividing both side by minus 1. So sign of inequality will change. So x less than 4. The answer of this question, minus infinity to 4. Close bracket. Close bracket, because here this number also included. This is question number 4. Last question. Question number 5. 2x minus 1 upon 3 greater than equal to 3x minus 2 upon 4 minus 2 minus x upon 5. This is fifth, question number 5. Clear? 2x minus 1 by 3 greater than equal to 3x minus 2 by 4 minus 2 minus x upon 5. Clear? So now can you tell me LCM of 3, 4, LCM of 3, 4 and 5. that is 60. LCM of 3, 4 and 5, 60. Multiplying both side by 60. Multiplying both side by 60. Multiplying both side by 60. When you multiply by 60, the 3 to 60 cancel. When you get 20, 2x minus 1 greater than or equal to. When you multiply this by 60, then 4, 60 cancel. 15, 3x minus 2 minus, and this is 12, 2 minus x. Check this step. Clear? Now 20 multiply by this, 40x minus 20, here, and 45 minus 45x minus 30, and this multiply by 12, 24 plus 12x, 24 plus 12x, correct? Now further simplify, 40x minus 20 greater than or equal to 45 plus 12, that is 57x minus 54. Check. Now 40x minus 57x greater than minus 54 plus 20. ठीक है? 40 minus 57, that is minus 17x greater than or equal to minus 34. Clear? Again dividing both side by minus 17. Dividing both side by minus 17. And you know very well, when we divide with a negative number, then the sign of inequality change. X less than or equal to 2. This is the main point. When we divide with a negative number, then the sign of inequality change. The answer of this question. Answer of this question, minus infinity to 2 and close bracket here open. Correct? This is because 2 is included, therefore it is 2 also included, close bracket. And your homework, note down your homework. Exercise 6.1, question number 5 to 16. Clear? And note down your homework in the fair notebook. Clear? Now you purchased all the book. Thank you.